If your car is totaled, standard insurance might not cover your entire loan. Here is how gap insurance bridges that financial distance. Gap refers to the difference between what your car is worth today and what you still owe on your auto loan. Because cars lose value quickly, you might owe more than the vehicle is worth, especially during the first few years of ownership. Gap insurance is typically most relevant when your loan balance is likely to stay higher than the car's resale value for a while. Standard insurance pays the market value of your car, but gap insurance kicks in to pay off the remaining debt to your lender. This chart shows how your loan balance might stay above the car's value, creating that financial gap that needs protection. Always check if your dealer already included gap coverage in your financing agreement before you purchase a separate policy. Understanding your insurance coverage helps you manage risk effectively. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more basics.